Art and Music is a multimedia program where we're going to take two different art forms, art and music, and put them in a multimedia program. So it's a concert and it is an art exhibition. And it's a journey where we're going to explore sound and images that's going to reflect the seasons of the human heart. I've always been very highly influenced by the painters Magritte and Kandinsky. So the big influences on my art are those two incredible 20th century painters.
Miskien is daar iets anders as ek en jy. Miskien is daar iets verder as soos begin en einde vir my. Miskien is daar iets groter, miskien is daar iets meer, iets aan die ander kant van liefde, wat in je hart kan reflecteer. Je is weer glansen, spin van iets zijn, in sommige se skrippen en ander krijg te zien, en dans daar weer mense, borduur uit broekhaat, die fijnste gare word gedraai, die soort stof,